Well, it's finally arrived. Let's see what they sent us. I am so excited. It's here. It's here. My bundle from Fabric Mart. Girl, yeah, they had a sale the other day. They had shipping for $1. So I got me a fabric bundle. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what they sent us. I'm so excited. Let's dig in. Have you gotten a bundle from Fabric Mart? I like Fabric Mart. Sometimes when you go to the fabric store, it can be overwhelming with fabric. So I like the fact that they send you and you just gotta make it do what it do. So, the fabric bundle is 20 bucks. And, okay, I already see something I like. Okay. All right. So, number one. Okay. Number one. It's stretchy. Really soft. They usually put a sticker on it to tell you how much they send you. So, let's just see if this has a sticker on it. I don't see one, which is fine. It looks like it's about 3 yards. Yeah, it looks like it's about 3 yards of it. Okay. It's super nice. And this orange, it's like a light orange. I love it. Okay. So we're going to put this in a wash with the other fabric I bought the other day. Oh. Yes, Fabric Mart. Fabric Mart. Y'all see this? Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you. How did they know? I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. This looks like 2 yards. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with this. I think I'm gonna make this first. This is gonna be the first project. I don't even know what I'm gonna make yet, but this is gonna be made. Yes. Love it. Okay. You know what? I started to get 2 because they had free shipping. I wish I would have got 2. Look at this. Come on now. How did they, what? Okay, I take it back. This is gonna be the first project. And I got blue net. What? How did they know? Girl, you got the leopard. You got the, oh my God. Come on now, Fabric Mart. I think this is my best bundle yet. The last one I got some really cute stuff, but they put some glitter fabric in there. So I didn't even take the glitter fabric out of the pack. I just saw it and I took everything else around it and just, you know, yeah, I hate glitter. Hate it. Anyway, getting back to this. This is everything. Oh yes, I'm making a dress with this. And this, oh, look, I found this is 2 3/4. Okay. 2 1/4. Okay. So that means there's going to be some on these too. So let me go back and see. And I'm Nunu. Welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. I was so excited about the fabric, I didn't even introduce myself. Where are my manners? All right, and this looks like the last piece. And I even like this. This is nice. This is really nice. It's stretchy. Let's see if we can find this tape on there. Nope. We don't see it. This is nice. This reminds me of my granny dress. She got a dress. Well, she had a dress. I still got it. I'm actually going to turn it into a pillow. So, this is what I call grandma chic. Yeah. Nice. Thank you, Fabric Mart. I love it so much. Okay. No, I don't see the plastic on there. I mean, the paper on there. Okay. Yes. So, it's supposed to be 10 yards. So, I think this is about 3. And then this looks like 2. So, that's 5. I think this was 3. So, that's 8. And then 9, 10. Yeah, so they exactly 10. Okay. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section, what do you think of my bundle? And let me know if you're going to go ahead and purchase one. They always have them on sale, so I think it's a good buy. 20 bucks for all this fabric? You can't beat it. And it's actually some nice fabric. It's not one that I don't like, so I would definitely recommend getting the fabric bundle from Fabric. So that's it. That's it and that's all. Oh, Now, I have to go wash the fabric, and then once they're done and they clean, I'm going to get sewing.